cruising on a Sunday afternoon. Yeah, you see all the lowriders? You see the raza? We're right here having a good time. Let's go check it out. What's up, homeboy? What's your name? How long you been lowriding, and why do you love being a part of lowriding culture?
Anthony, I've been doing this for about 25 years and just love it. Been doing it all this time. So it's like being out here with all the cars and stuff.
That's what's up. You got a ride out here today?
Yeah, this one right here, 1964 Impala.
Gorgeous. I love it. So word on the street is you all have everybody out here cruising from San Diego to LA to all different parts.
No, we're just out here just having fun. Just some people get some days you win, some days you lose.
Your pride and joy right there.
Yep. Yeah, just come out here hopping, clowning, three-wheeling.
I look forward to seeing you hop out here on the boulevard later.
All right, we'll see it. We'll see it.
I'm gonna hold you to it.
All right.
You heard it from Anthony, one of the best hoppers out here. Let's see who else we can interview. What's good? It's your girl Muñeca, and this is
Miguel from Sala Gente.
That's what's up with pride. All right, Miguel. So how long you been lowriding, and why do you love lowriding?
I've been lowriding since I've been 16 years old. I love lowriding. We're out here every weekend with the club, the family, the wife. That's why I love lowriding with the whole family.
That's a beautiful thing. So, is this your car right here?
Yes, yes. 64 Chevy Super Sport Impala.
Tell us a little more about your car.
I had it like for 10 years. We redid everything. I have like $50,000 in it. Pretty much it.
Well, then we'll see you guys out there cruising.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
All right, then. Well, you heard it from Miguel. Let's see who else we're going to interview tonight. This is your girl Muñeca, and this is my homegirl Stephanie. Stephanie, I wanted to ask you, how does it feel to be a female in a male-dominated sport, which is lowriding?
It feels amazing. You know, like I feel like in this culture, we get to customize our own ride, no matter male or female. I don't give a f. Everybody has their own style. Any fucking car, G-body, big body, whatever the fuck it is, everybody has their own fucking style. Everybody still spends money no matter what. I don't give a fuck if you even get like a regular plain paint job. It still costs fucking money. I'm not the one to look down at someone and be like, ew, like he doesn't have a fucking a flake job. He doesn't have patterns. He just has fucking straight white. Even if he just has a fucking white paint job in his fucking car, amazing. You still did that. Exactly. And you still have to pay for that shit, right? Like, I don't look down on anybody. When I first got this car, that shit would look like shit. It still looks like shit. Don't get me wrong. I still need interior done and everything, but you know, like compared to how it was a primered white. Me and my man did a garage, fucking ghetto ass job.
So could you say like, how many years did it take for you to build your car?
Honestly, I started modifying my car in 2020, and it's 2020. What are we in? 2026, and it's like this, and it's not even where it's supposed to be. Like we
It's
did,
a work in progress.
and it's a work, and it will always be a work in progress, no matter what. I don't give a f- it's 10 years from now. I still need my interior done, but you know what? It's a fucking straight fucking car. I don't tow my shit. I drive my shit. First of all, I don't give a f-
So let me ask you one more thing, Ma. One more thing. Could you say you're one of the best female hoppers out here in the lowriding community?
I cannot say I'm one of the best.
Yes,
I
you
love
are,
that
because
mom.
I seen you out here in these streets hopping and hitting the switches, Ma. Hey, take that shit with pride.
Yeah, I do take that shit with pride, but my girls, like, I know everybody puts like effort into their car, and there's a lot of females. But compared to when I first started coming out, there was only a couple of females, and now there's a fucking shitload of females. And hey, like, they all fucking hit their shit, and like everyone's working on their car, custom cars and everything, you know?
This is my homegirl Steph with her beautiful ride. You heard it from her. We're gonna see who else we can interview. How long you been lowriding? Tell me a little bit about yourself.
I got in the group car club in 1985. Been lowriding since about 1982.
Okay, that's what's up. That's what's up. Hey, how much money you think you put into this car?
I don't add it up. If I did, I wouldn't do it.
I bet it was a lot.
Correct.
Definitely. You guys in the lowriding community, you guys got your own cars?
All day, every day.
That's right. What about you, homeboy?
Oh yeah, all day. Exactly. This is what we do.
That's what's up. That's what's up. Orale. What's up, homegirl? What's your name and how long have you been lowriding?
Tina Gomez. Hey, been lowriding, gosh, for maybe 30 years. My comadre as well. Her car will be coming out soon. Prima in the back. Hey, we're all family.
That's what's up. Are you guys solo riders or?
Lowriders, local, west side.
Wow. What's up, homegirl? What's your name?
What's cracking? I'm Vanessa, also known as Miss Lowrider Princess.
I wanted to ask you, could you give me some insight on women empowerment in the lowriding community? As a female?
You know what? It's just about being there for each other, smiling when the women go by, letting them, cheering them on, especially when they're in their cars. That's what we do. Even in their dailies that are going by, we're just like, woo! Just giving them thumbs up, letting them know that we support them, letting them know that we're here, that they could come by, speak to us, talk to us, and that's what it's about. It's just about uplifting women and letting them know that we see you, we care, and let's have fun together.
Definitely. What's some advice you could give younger women that are trying to get into the lowriding scene?
You know what? Just be positive. Stay positive. Like homegirl right here, I met her. She's walking by. Ow! And that's women empowerment. We click, we're talking, and she was like, I'm gonna get a car. I want to hang out with you. You don't need to have a car to hang out with us. You come join us, come kick back or whatever. We don't, let girls know, hey, you need to have a car to hang out with us. Come chill with us. Come see what it's about. Be inspired, get inspired, But for the younger ones out there, stay positive, stay smiling, and work at what you want, because you never know, a good car, good deal will fall in your lap. And I've been seeing a lot lately with these women and stuff. They're like, I'm gonna get a car, I want to get a car. Sure enough, that good deal, it lands on their lap. And I was like, dang, you know why? Because you're putting in the work and you're manifesting and you're being, a good person.
Wow, that is beautiful, homegirl. So tell me a little bit about your car, homegirl.
Well, I have a 1964 Impala. I brought her today. As you can see that I matched my hair to my car today. It's something fun that I like to do. I'm very blessed to own this ride. It's one of the most popular cars in the world, and I have a few other cars, and the cars that I have are sentimental to me because it reminds me of different eras in my life growing up. Like I told my homegirl, hey, you know what? I need a Cadillac, you know, a brown white, because it reminded me of some of my crazy days hanging out with certain individuals and stuff. And sure enough, manifesting it, saving, and I ended up getting my 1993 Cadillac. She's in paint right now, so I'll be busting out with her. But it's something that that I love and I enjoy. I grew up in the neighborhood, so being with these cars and being around the people that had these cars, it was inspiring me. It inspired me. So now it feels good to be able to save, to get the cars that I want, and just show them like, hey, you know, this woman loves cars just as much as these guys, you know. So like I used to go to car shows in the 90s. I was young. I didn't go for the guys. I want to manifest. Like when I was young, shit, I wanted to be one of those super cool people with the super dope cars, you know. I seen how people were, and they still are, respected because it's a lot of work that goes into these cars. Money, time, expenses, and I love it. You know, people say it's a hobby. It's just something that's natural, you know. It's just something that you do. It's like, would I rather give something for my car, get my nails done? Oh shit, my car got to come out this weekend, so we're gonna get my car done before me. But honestly, it's a good feeling, and then to meet other people like you in the community, it's dope.
Definitely. All right, well, you heard it from her, Girls in the Hood. What's going on? I'm right here with
James Moore. They call me lowrider.
That's what's up. So I wanted to ask you, how long have you been in the lowriding game?
For over 50 years. I've been doing it since I was 13, and I'm 66 now. This is my life, been my life right here in the IE. Yep.
As an OG in the lowriding game, what can you say your perspective is in having black and brown communities together, united in the same scene?
I think it's wonderful to see us all together and everybody in unity about the cars and nothing else. There's no trouble, no fighting, and it's just all about the cars and family-orientated things. It's about nothing else. And I'm glad to see everybody getting along, and it's just a beautiful thing. Look at all these pretty cars out here. Yep.
So, could you tell me a little bit about your car?
Okay, my car is a 93 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. It has 2 pumps. It's got gold and chrome Ds. I'm running 8 batteries, and it works pretty good. I have no complaints, and you know I got everything reinforced and everything, and it's pretty good. It's just working fine. Yeah.
How much money could you say you have invested into this car over the years?
I got $25,000 invested in this car over the years, over the past 5 years. Yeah. That's why I'm broke. Yeah, all my money's in my car, but I love it. This is my sport, my hobby. It's like you guys say, it's a lifestyle.
Definitely.
Yeah.
A lifestyle, good investment, your pride and joy right there.
That's right.
Definitely. It was great meeting you and such a pleasure interviewing you. I hope to see you cruising on the boulevard later.
Okay, thank you very much.
Living on the beat.
On the boulevard out tonight, girl.
Oh my God, it was a beautiful day today. Beautiful. It was a little bit hot, but it cooled down, and I feel like a lot of the cars came out after. It's a good time.
Homegirl, hey, are you a cruiser or a hopper?
I'm a cruiser. I like both. I like both. Yeah. I love it.
How many years have you been in the lowriding scene?
For about 5 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, and I just have a good time. I love it. It's a good time.
Do you bring your family into the lowriding scene, and would you want them to continue on you guys' legacy?
Of course, yeah, I have my daughter right here actually with me. So yeah, she loves it. Hopefully they do, you know, and I'm telling her whenever she's ready, this is hers.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's beautiful, homegirl. All right. What was your name again?
Crystal, that bitch lady.
Nice to meet you. Are you a solo rider or are you in a car club?
I'm in a car club, Girls in the Hood. I'm the vice president from Girls in the Hood. Wow. Yeah.
Well, it's a pleasure to meet you. I hope a very good night.
Thank you guys.
What's going on, homegirl? How does it feel to be a woman lowriding in the lowriding scene?
It feels pretty good. I feel like a bad bitch. Yeah.
Hey, girl, you look firme out here cruising in the boulevard, man. How long could you say you've been cruising in the lowriding scene?
It's my whole life, honestly. Yeah.
Girl,
I was born into this.
that's a beautiful thing, girl. Yes, definitely representing.
Yeah, for sure.
You have any advice you want to give to the women out here in the lowriding scene?
Fuck well, whoever has to say anything, do it. You know, girl power.
Yes, girl empowerment. We love it. Hey, what's up, homegirl? What's your name and how does it feel to be a very young woman in the lowriding scene?
My name's Paula and it's awesome.
How old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
Hey, you're really young. What could you say to the young females in the community and what advice would you give them?
I say just do whatever, yeah.
Whatever you believe in, huh?
Yes.
Definitely, girl. Is this your car?
Yes, it is.
Hey, it's beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm here with
Spooky.
Spooky. I wanted to ask you, what do you love about the lowriding scene? I've seen you do a lot of photography out here. Why do you do the photography?
I honestly do it me for the love of the raza, the people, black and brown people out here. They show me love. You know, I take pictures. Everybody. I don't discriminate. You know, we all got to start somewhere. Not everyone's got money, you know, to do those trailer queens. So I show love to the homies, my people. They show me love. You know, I go SD, LA, OC.
Wow.
I'm out and about, you know.
Wow.
I love the culture, low riding, you know, the raza.
Great. So where can we find you at to see your work?
You can follow me on Instagram. There's a Spooky951. It's a Spooky.ie951. And my TikTok is Spooky909.
That's great.
You're good, yeah.
It's a pleasure meeting you, and we love to hear your perspective on the lowriding scene.
I appreciate it too. I appreciate the love, and you know, we're out here doing it for the raza, the culture.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I appreciate it. I appreciate the love. You know, you said follow me on Instagram, TikTok, or Car Club, Edge Life Car Club. We're right here, straight. You want to give the Car Club a follow? And that's the Edge Life Car Club.
That's what's up, homeboy. Have a firme night, eh?
You too. Gracias.
Hey, you guys see the cruising is still popping. Everybody's still outside. We did a bunch of interviews. It was a great time. Hey, but now it's time for me to have a good time. This is your girl, Esa Muñeca out here, and I'm out. Peace.